Good morning, investors. Welcome to the 17th of July 2015. The trade of today is called MMI Holdings and the code is MMI. Last traded price was R50.96. Action on this trade is to do a long from the grey to the green. So the entry will be R30.71 and the target will be R32.54 on the green line. Stop loss to be used is on the red line of R30.10. Current open trades at this moment is MDC and Barloworld. Closed trades is CML, and that happened on the 15th of July on the entry. Looking at the top 40 index, that's the top 40 shares on the JSE, and you can actually see this volatility. The blue line is indicating the top 40 shares, and as you can see, look at its reversal, head and shoulder, leg, shoulder, head, shoulder, coming back to the leg. Currently trading above the red line, that's a 10-day moving average, and the grey line, that's a 20-day moving average. The American markets closed 70 points higher from this green line to that green line in the positive momentum, and that is indicating that there's some more positives in the market, and due to Greece that needs to pay their debt now on the 20th of July, and China out of the way, all the attention will go back to the US markets interest rates meetings at this time. Currently the Dow Jones are showing a negative opening of 35 points. European futures are about flat on 4 or 5 points higher, as well as the South African futures are also very flat on this Friday, about 20 points higher. As I've mentioned, look at this reversal head and shoulder pattern, leg, shoulder, head, shoulder, and there's a breakup happening. Next height expectation at the top 40 is 47,336 if it needs to continue. Looking at the volume bands, also indicating on the top of the volume band where the movement can go. Looking at ShopRite, ShopRite is still in this positive channel. It seems like a bit of a breakup happening here, not a lot. The share went up R1 yesterday on Thursday, trading into 170 level, so the big question is going to go to this 174 and test the previous highs. Looking at Mr. Price, there's a breakup in Mr. Price, and the share went up R6.34 yesterday. And as you can see, there was the resistance, broke this resistance on 250, and now it goes to 261. Looking at Woolies, Woolies at this moment still testing that previous highs and now started to flat on the tops there on the resistance. Need to track closely because at a stage the share was trading just above the 101 Rand after the nice results due on this one. Looking at your banking shares, Barclays Bank positive channel on the top. Now we need to see if this ABC pattern can play out to break the low, go lower, break the high, can go higher. Looking at Standard Bank, starting to get a bit of support on this previous lows here, and that's under the 160 Rand. It needs to break this 161 if it needs to trade high to the 166 levels in the sideways pattern. Investec had a beautiful day, broke the new high there on almost 119.66 after it had a sideways pattern and it broke up in a positive ABC pattern. Looking at your telecommunications, MTN, and basically MTN is struggling to break this 220 level, currently trading at 218. Need to see how this pattern will start playing out. If you put a line through here, you will see there's a bit of support here, and currently it's sitting at the support for a while now. Vodacom also got a bit of support here at 135 Rand. Need to see if we can break this 140 level if it needs to go physically more higher. Telkom also trading to the side now. There's a downward channel forming here, and we need to see if we can break the 60 Rand to go physically higher as well. Looking at Richmond, they had an awesome day yesterday. They were up almost 1.8% or 183, breaking this negative channel and a positive channel, and now it's starting to form a positive ABC. Low, higher. Next expectation high could be close to the 105 level. Looking at the healthcare products, Sideways pattern of Mediclinic needs to break this 108.50 level if you need to physically go higher to higher levels. Netcare did go up a bit yesterday, almost 28 cents or 0.27%, starting to trade at 39.14. Needs to break this 40 rand levels if you want to go to 42 or 44 levels in a longer period. Let's see what this Friday delivers and enjoy your trading.